He arrived wearing a military-style hat, frail but brimming with vitriol.
I am General Ratko Mladic.
Although physically infirm, his right arm and hand appearing limp, he glared and scowled as Judge Alphonse Ori read the 11 charges of war crimes.
You, Ratko Mladic, are charged with genocide, crimes against humanity, and violations of the laws and customs of war.
Mladic sneered at families of victims of the Srebrenica massacre sitting in the gallery as those charges read out.
Within days of the attack, Ratko Mladic and others formed the objective to eliminate the Bosnian Muslims in Srebrenica by killing the men and boys and forcibly removing the women, young children and some elderly men.
Mladic, showing signs of his former self, was openly combative, telling the judge he'd never heard of the charges before, demanding time to consider them.
I would like to receive what you read out just now, these obnoxious charges leveled against me. I want to read this properly, to give it some proper thought together with my lawyers, because I need more than a month for these monstrous words, the ones that I've never heard before.
Inside the public gallery, I sat behind families of victims of Srebrenica. They cried, they called abuse at Mladic, they made gestures towards him. He returned those gestures like this. They were telling him he was small. He smiled at them and did the same thing back. He could not have shown any less contrition. In fact, open defiance.
Mr. Mladic, if you want to consult with counsel, you have an opportunity to do so.
When the judge told him he could discuss his medical conditions in private, he gave a triumphant wave to the gallery and clapped.
Thank you, Madam Registrar.
After a 22-minute discussion, the session resumed, Mladic laying out his defense.
I do not fear any journalists or any people, any nation or any ethnicity. I defended my people and my country.
It's the same defense he used during the 3-year Bosnian War. The man dubbed the Butcher of the Balkans is already making it clear he'll fight to the bitter end. Nick Robertson, CNN, The Hague, the Netherlands.